Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video, guys. So I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can lock your home screen layout. Okay, so this is very useful if you accidentally keep removing widgets from off the home screen or applications. It just saves you having to go back into your widgets, finding the widgets again and dragging and dropping them back onto the home screen, or going back into the app drawer to find the apps and dragging and dropping them back onto the home screen. So yeah, this is a very useful tip. It will come in handy. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's actually real simple to do. Just long press on the home screen and go to settings and scroll down to where it says lock home screen layout, and it explains how it works just like I explained. Prevents items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So just go ahead and turn it on. And now on the home screen, if you try to remove an application, it will say home screen layout is locked. You can unlock it in settings. So you cannot accidentally remove any applications. Everything's locked. As you can see, home screen is locked. You can't even move the applications or the widgets around to rearrange them. You can't do anything. It's all locked. So yeah, guys, very useful tip. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to your boy, it's the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.